Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about skincare, so this is not a sewing tutorial. So recently StyleKorean reached out to me to apply for their ambassador program. I was like, okay, why not, let me apply. I applied. So it's between, is it May? Yeah, it's between May to, I don't know the exact dates though. I think May 10th to May 28th or so. So when it was time to announce the winner, I did not get an email that day. I was so disappointed. The next day, they sent me another email again to apply. I was like, I've applied now. I was like, I've applied now. What's happening? Anyways, I applied again. Sorry, I'm using the TOCOBO lip oil, the honey one. So I was like, I've applied now. What's up? So I applied again. The next day, I got chosen as the ambassador. I was so excited. Like, if you know what it is to be a StyleKorean ambassador, guys, I was so happy. Anyways, they sent me the award box. This is it. I'm going to do my morning routine. So this is the Petty Fee face mask. StyleKorean also sent me this. I'm not even a fan of this kind of masks. I think this is the face. I'm going to peel it off. This is the film. I'll have to peel it off then. Okay. Anyway, so I have been applying for their giveaways, and some I get some, and sometimes I do not get. It's not everything I apply for that they will give me. When I apply for some, sometimes I don't get it all. Sometimes I'll get it sometimes. But most times, the brand I want to work with, I don't get them mostly. This looks weird. So I'm going to take the remaining excess. I don't want to waste it too. I'm going to apply the remaining essence on my neck. The first time I used it, it just kept on slipping off my face. So I'm just giving it this. Oh, you can see this was what I was saying. I'm just giving this a second try. So they sent me their award box. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. I think I look weird talking with this mask on. Guys, we have 7 products. There are 7 products inside. The first one is the annual Heartleaf Pore Control Cleansing Oil. This actually went viral on TikTok. If you know this cleansing oil, I'm not going to unbox it because I'm not ready to use it. I'm not going to open it, because I'm not ready to use it yet. Okay, the next one is this toner. I meant to leave this on for 30 minutes. I don't want to waste it. TOCOBO milk toner, guys. I love it, but it broke me out. So I just use it when I want more hydration. This is the one I'm currently using, and this is the one I've not opened. I've not opened this. Look at it. So guys, you should try this. This is very nice. This is weird. I think I should just remove it. I'm not a fan of this. Okay. Next one is this ABIB Heartleaf Spot Pad. Is all these like all this toner pad. This is my second time I'm trying their products. The first product I tried out was their sunscreen, which I love. I made a review on my Instagram about their sunscreen. Guys, I just love that it has a picker. The last one I used, the Skin Food cotton pad I used, does not have a picker. I just had to dip my hand inside and remove it, which wasn't nice. When I opened it, the essence poured. So guys, look at it. The essence is so much. The next one is this TOCOBO sunscreen, sunstick. I mean, I've actually used one also, though it gives a matte finish. It doesn't leave a white cast. So this is good for reapplication. Look at that. I have to just apply. I'm not ready to launch it because I'm having another one. They are sending me another one, which I will be using that one. I'm not ready to launch this one at all. This is the new one. You can see it's empty. It smells like cotton. I don't know. It smells like cotton. So yeah, that's that about this sunstick. The next one is this MIXSOON Beam SS. I've been trying to get my hands on this. I've applied everywhere, even on the brand. I've applied on the brand, I did not get it. I've applied on StyleKorean, I did not get it. Finally, StyleKorean sent this to me, guys. I was so happy. I was so happy when I got it. I'm not going to lie, I was so happy. Just look at the texture. Just look at it. Anyways, I've not started using it because I still have a snail muslin from T-Ham that I'm using. So when I'm done with that, I'm going to start using this fully and I'll give my review about it. So is this TORRIDEN Solid In Lip Essence? I think, yeah, that's correct. I actually have one before. StyleKorean also sent this to me. Most of my products are from StyleKorean. Just few I want from the brand. That's all. Most of it, everything is from StyleKorean. So I have this. I've not used it. I've not launched anything. This is the new one and this is the old one. I think this one is empty. I finished it. There's nothing inside. Oh yeah, there's still something inside here. Okay, look at that. Yeah, very nice. Is hydrating. It doesn't make my lips dry. Like after I clean it, my lip does not feel dry, if you understand what I'm saying. There are some products I'll use that when I clean it off my lip, my lips feels dry. Like I want to apply more products, like I want to apply more more products. I hope you understand. I don't know how to explain. I want to apply more products to make my lip feel hydrated. Like I just have that feeling of dryness on my lip, but this is different. Anyways, I've stopped using this because it's empty, obviously. I still have a lot of lip products, so I'm not using this one yet also. I'll be having a giveaway on my Instagram and TikTok by the end of this month, hopefully. So you guys should follow me on my Instagram and TikTok to win 1 or 2 products. Thank you. This one is this HEIMISH mascara. It's been a very long time I own a mascara. Even any products, any makeup products. I've stopped doing makeup since, let me say, my uni days. Like, I don't know why I stopped. The few ones I have is just foundation. Just foundation. I don't even own a powder. I just have a white powder. Can you guys imagine? This mascara. I don't know the last time I've used the mascara. Anyways, I've started using this one. I'm not going to lie. I've started using it. Sharp. Let's try this out. I don't like too much. I don't like too much makeup. Just a little is okay. Oh, it's been long. Oh, that's too much. Anyways, look at, it's very nice. I think you can get all these products. All these products cost about $150, but they're selling it for $38, guys. This is a steal if you want it. Like, if you're a beginner to skincare, you can actually get this. You can try with this. You can start with this. I mean, actually, all these Korean products, most of them, they will say they don't deliver to Nigeria. Some do deliver, but they use EMS, and that one sometimes it will take a month, or sometimes the first EMS products I got, it took 4 months. They sent it since January. I got it April. Was it April? Yes, I got it April. That was the Porito. Okay, this is not about Porito. That was the Porito product. It took 4 months. I was so hungry. I was going there, and it was post office EMS parcel. It's post office that I deal with that one. Those post office is like olden days, ancient of days. The ancient of days. So there was no email to call. There was no email to call. There was no phone number. There's no customer service. Like, everything is just poor system. I was so angry. So this StyleKorean, they use DHL. You can track it. They will tell you it has gotten to Germany, it has gotten to Belarus, it has gotten to Lagos. Then they will ship it to where you are. Very easy. So you guys should get yours. In this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And comment below if you want me to keep sharing skincare products, skincare reviews, anything, and how I actually get these brands, how I actually get to work with these brands. If you want me to share a video on that, please leave a comment. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.